1.6, the coordinate plane I can graph on a coordinate plane.
Okay, guys, are you feeling better about graphing on a coordinate plane?
Yeah.
Leah, nice job reading that. Okay, the vocab. First of all, a coordinate plane is what we use to points. And when we're plotting points, we always start at the
Origin.
And the origin is at what ordered pair?
0, 0.
It tells us exactly where to start at 0, 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay? And then when we are using a coordinate plane to graph, we have two axes that we have to run along. Which one do we always start with, the X or the Y?
Yes.
The X goes across because an X makes a cross, right?
Yes.
And the Y goes
Up and down.
up and down, or we remember it by saying Y to the,
Side.
because the Y axis goes up and down, yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. And then an ordered pair would be the coordinates we use to graph. And we always use parentheses and a comma, right? Ordered pairs, yes, no?
Yes.
And which one do we write first? The one on the x-axis or the one on the y-axis?
Yes.
X is first, y is
Second.
second. And then all coordinate planes are broken up into quadrants, because quadrant means what?
4.
4, so there's 4 different parts to it, yes, no?
Yes.
Well done, people. So then what you have in your notes on page 2 would be all of the parts to a coordinate plane. I believe it was Amina who told me that quadrant 1 starts on the upper right-hand corner, and quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 all go in what order? Counterclockwise, yes, no?
Yes.
And we know that quadrant 1 is positive, positive, because we go to the right on a number line, which is positive, yes, no?
Yes.
And we go up, which is, everybody?
Positive.
Positive, positive. Anwar, can you sit down and do that later, please? We're in the middle of a video right now. That's disturbing everybody, including me. Okay, if you wanted to go to quadrant number 3, we know it's at a negative, negative, because we go right or left in the number line from the origin. Which way? Left, is that negative?
Yes.
And then do we go up or down?
Down.
Is that negative?
Yes.
Yes, you guys are brilliant. Okay, then we went to another graph, and we graphed these points. So we graphed point A at 3, 4. And it ended up being right here, yes or no?
Yes.
Because we started at where? What's this called? What's this called?
Origin.
What's the coordinates for the origin again?
0.
And we went over 3, 1, 2, 3, and we went up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. Point A. Yes, no? And by the way, you guys all know that quadrant 1 is a positive, positive quadrant, right?
Yes.
And this coordinate was positive, positive, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not going to do B, C, or D because you get the idea. Yes, no?
Yes.
And then the last thing we did is we graphed point A and we graphed point B. I said, here's point A, and you guys needed to tell me where that was. And I said, here's point B, and you needed to tell me where that was. And I can't remember who it was, but they said A is at 5, 3, because you start at where?
Origin.
And we go over, we went over 5 and we went up.
3.
And for this one, we started at the origin and we went over. Excuse me, I need everybody! We started at the origin and we went over.
-4.
And we went down.
-1.
Okay, this is not my video. This is your video. I ask questions, you answer. That's how this works. Okay? Every single one of you. Questions? Don't need no. I need a hand in the air if you have a question.